Morning guys, Simon at Unity Beach. Got something quite special today. We don't normally get touring caravans. We've just taken this beauty in as a part exchange. What we've got is a 2019 Bailey Pegasus Grande Palermo. Okay, it's 6th berth. It's immaculate, 2019, full service history, which keeps your warranty with Bailey intact as well. On there we've got an all-wheel drive Power Touch Evolution motor mover, auto engage, remote control.
Evolution?
£2.5 grand for that motor mover fitted.
You're kidding me.
No. Beautiful bodywork. So people would always say, yeah, well, caravans get damp, don't they? Not this baby. This is GRP, which is plastic. It's got metal ribs inside and marine ply. Nothing to get wet in the walls, back and front.
How much is it?
This one today is 16 grand.
Okay. That's the most important question, I think.
Come on in, 16 grand today, 07973 620 351. Call me, come and take it away. 6th berth, 8 foot wide caravan. So this double is 8 foot wide. We've got a double dinette, which makes into another double bed. And the best thing, making it a perfect family van, fixed bunk beds, okay?
That's quite unique, I think.
The kids also get their own TV point and plug down there. You're also going to have a little seating area and a pull-up table, so the little ones can sit there with their devices.
Could lock the kids down the back on a glass of wine.
Lock them in. Keep them quiet, mate.
Lock them in.
There's your bathroom. Bags of storage here, Nigel. Look at that. This is a touring caravan. Loads of storage. And then you've got your fully fitted kitchen.
Can you keep it here, or do you...
If you want a seasonal pitch here, call us and we'll make it happen for you.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah? So just a couple of other things. In here, that is the cradle for a modem. There's a Max View 5G SAT system on the roof already installed. Another grand as an extra. In there is your stereo system already plumbed throughout the van. And here is the management system for your solar panels. So if you want to off-grid with your Tourer, that can be done as well, mate. Everything in here is low voltage. So that solar panel, 100 watt system, will run the stuff for a few days. And your leisure battery.
There's a lot of information there.
Mate, it's a huge...
Listen, at the end of the day, it's 16 grand, yeah?
It's a lot of van.
Can they pick it up? When can they pick it up?
Now.
Okay,
07973 620 351.
They need to follow you as well, because you've got more, haven't you?
We've got loads of deals coming up, mate. Loads of
So
deals.
make sure you're following him, guys.
Yeah.
Anyway, any information, contact Simon.
Give me a call, mate. 07973 620 351. Come down, take it away.
I think it's beautiful, mate. What's all these plugs here?
So these are your power, your water pumps, your internal and external lights, your battery voltage meters.
Oh.
I mean, this is up to date. This is like 19, not a mark on this. It's never been toured on the road, mate. It's been on a seasonal pitch. It's a great, great van.
Hey, thank you, mate. Thank you for sharing it with us.
Have a great day, guys.